Gang, what's going on? It's boy KINGYT back whenever today for you guys, bro. Look at my head, bro. I need a proper line, but yeah. I'm going to the bank today, and I mean, for start one account. So if you guys want to come with me, come along, and I mean, but yeah, and then we probably go guys to the after. As me for a time I got release, as you see, come right there. So, but yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and comment. As me, if you want more vlog, make we get 35 likes. As me, if you want more vlog, make we get 35 likes. As me, but yeah, let's go. You already know to make you what again lay up in the bitch, bro. Let's get it. Gang. Yo, KINGYT. Hey. Let's get it. So guys, and I mean, done just something, is it? Done just something. So, yeah, very passionate right now. Fake cut, isn't me? So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the day, is it? Hopefully, the day go good so we can vlog it, is it? And probably, I don't know if I'm gonna get enough footage, because I'm kind of afraid for vlogging in the public, is me? You know, come on, what the pitchy patchy no below. But yeah, you know what I mean? Let's get my hair no do, man. So let's go, bruh. Right now, we need to take up money and Kirch, you know what I mean? I forgot the Kirch and the protective gear. That's it. So yeah, we're gonna cut out in our next few seconds still, you see me? I'll catch you back when I'm leaving. Guys, I left foot now, you see? So yeah, link them up. Shoot, my nigga. Link up soon. Yo. Bye. So guys, we not making the same. We don't go collect them already. So I could really, yes, me too much people did this. I could vlog, you see, but on a long something, but I just get you quick, you see. So now, I wait for guys today. You see, make a record this song and thing. I don't know if you can see me right now, but I see that. So I wait for guys today. You see me, wait for this youth. So yeah, let's get it. Guys, we buy one stand, you see. I want cheese patty. My small fries, and then buy one chicken patty. I want small fries. I want coke. You watch it out for rice. Nice one. Hey, I'm gonna eat. Is it until ready for gas studio and thing. So see you guys in a bit. Is it mad up some food with it? I'm gonna go shit. So guys, right now we're still waiting. I mean, it's been like 2 hours. I was still waiting for the youth. Make we go. Studio, isn't it? I'm tired. I want to sleep. Is it? But the vlog is kind of interesting, is it? Right now, I'm not even doing, so I'm not really vlog that much, you see me? So, yeah. We done it. And now we get sure and done to this as the way. Tired, bro.
Already know. Machine them.
I've seen the keys still.
Yeah.
Because the song good on a part and song good on the next part, you see? So now wait for the next part, you see? That's all like, I'll say like that.
I'm a dog, them a real chop chop. That but you not chop. Now I make the money for you not chop. Got the gun on a big club back shot. Clear cut for you not chop. Now I make the money for you not chop. Got the gun on a big club back shot. Clear cut, see money. I'm a dog, them a real chop chop.
Full up in.
I mean, brother.
Fire not job.
That up here chop pins up. Anywhere we go. So just done finish up. Is it? Is it? Chop pins up.
I'm a
Yeah, make really nice view. So we're back in my pen as you. We go collect it and then cook go yard. You see me, by tonight if we get back a song, I'm not upload yet, you see. Me I wait like a week and then put up it. So me a jog on out, you see me. So we link no back soon, you see. Home sweet home. So me a sweat the shit. Get the paper, fill out the bank, you see me? And yeah. Record the song. Shit to be lit, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you do my hair, so it look nasty up. But yeah, release the song. Just wait, man. I think sick. Just wait. Anyways, catch y'all guys in the next vlog. I'm sweaty, I'm tired. Catch y'all in the next vlog, you know what I mean? On the road to 2K, you know what I mean? Let's get married, no man. On the road to 2K, I already know how to make you wet girl up in the bush. Let go.